This is the master bedroom. Let's see who's inside. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Churchwell home. Y'all come on in. This is the virtual tour. Alright, first off, we're gonna start. It's a little entryway. Y'all can see back has it decorated very nicely, so you got the whole gray thing going. This is her office. I had nothing to do with decorating anything in here. Alright, and after we finish in here, we're gonna take a trip on into the living room. And she's got the little garland on the staircase. Again, I had nothing to do with that. This is the living room where we spend absolutely hardly any time. You see, it kind of opens up to the backyard. A lot of people really love this when they come over and see. They're like fascinated by this view down there in the creek. It's really low. It's really dirty right now. Yeah, because it's been raining. But I have seen fish down there. People have told me you can go down there and fish, but I'm allergic to fish, so I have no need for that. And then out there we had the fire pit. And then you'll see out here where it opens up. Where I spend most of my time anyway, because you know, Will's way, got it popping. Did a lot of redesigning in this kitchen. Actually, nothing in this kitchen is pretty much how it was when we bought it, from the sink faucet to the stove. I'll change the little light fixtures, the light fixture hanging there that was low. This is the room the most guys are fascinated with when they come to visit. This, of course, is the man cave. Spend a lot of time here myself, as you can probably imagine. I get asked if these jerseys are autographed. They just look really nice. They did a good job with decorating in here and framing those jerseys. I wish they were autographed, but they're not. Over here is our little girl Iggy. That's where she stays. You've seen her before. Our table, haven't had any friends over to play cards yet because of COVID. And then when you come down this hallway, you're entering into the 2 guest bedrooms. The first one down here I like to call the chandelier room. You'll see why in a minute. This whole room, they redesigned. Wasn't this room purple?
Yeah, it was purple.
This room was purple and had horrible carpeting.
It was really bad carpet. And the whole house smelled really bad. We got new carpet.
You can't smell it on the camera, but just trust us, it smells better.
It smells absolutely fabulous in our house. We have people tell us that all the time.
And they always tell us, y'all must not have kids.
Yeah, because it's very clean. It's always pretty clean in our house.
This is the other bedrooms, guest room / my office. Spend most of my daytime in here. This is also my bathroom. Babe doesn't venture up here. I got in trouble for using the decorative towels before, but I haven't used them since.
Thank you.
All right, this is the laundry room.
Laundry room is a laundry room is a laundry room.
I mean, what more can you say? We have a pretty decent system. Workout. Yes. She washes, I fold.
Yeah.
It's about as complex as it gets for a laundry room. It's got a washer and a dryer. I don't know what else.
And this is a nice washer and dryer, by the way.
It is. We love it. You can do it from your phone and stuff. We don't have it set up to where you can do that yet.
It's super high tech.
Yeah, it's super high tech. And
like all the lights up here, I'll try to turn them on. Ooh, it gets very bright in our home.
Very bright from here.
Very, very bright. And our last room.
This is the master bedroom. Let's see who's inside.